cute. My second so good. I'm definitely gonna have to cut like a lot of that out for copyright reasons, but I just can't stop listening to the album, literally. And her old stuff, like literally it's making me listen to Reputation again. It's giving Reputation vibes mixed with like wholesome. She's thriving, she's in her thriving era. We love, I can relate. So I love the new album so much. We're talking about Taylor Swift if you don't know, but why wouldn't you know? What are your guys' favorite songs from the album? I obviously like Karma and Anti-Hero. They're so good. They're so good. Okay, so anywho, welcome. It's Monday, October 24th. It is Halloween week. Halloween is this, no, actually it's not. Halloween is a week away, but the Halloween festivities are upon us this week. So I went to Pilates this morning. That was really fun. And yeah, we love Pilates. Then I came home, we glue up. I have a Whitefox haul to show you guys. Whitefox is sponsoring this video. We love Whitefox. We went to their event last week. It was so fun. Like, just like a good vibe. I don't know. I haven't been to a good event in a really long time. So I was quite impressed. I love the Whitefox family. They also have like Whitefox Swim and Whitefox Active, which we love. And I'm gonna try on a bunch of their new stuff for you guys right now. We also love them because they have Afterpay available to all US, Australia, and New Zealand customers. They also have express worldwide shipping, and they always have the cutest stuff. So let's do a haul. From town to town, sweet like justice. Karma is a queen. Oh fuck. Hi you, are you watching my haul because you love me? Because you're purring on my bed because you love me? Okay, you guys, this is the box. Also, this is like a matching set. This is the hoodie. How cute is the back? I love the color. It is so cozy. So it's a little hot right now, even though it's almost November, but yeah, we love that. All right, I'm gonna try on the first thing, BRB. First outfit, really cute. I also have it in pink, but I think I like the green. I don't know, I feel like it brings out the green in my eyes, but this is the New Look Bustier in Sage and the Just Between Us pant in Sage also. Super soft material, like very comfortable and soft and just flattering all around. We love it. Super cute. I almost wore this to the event, but I will show you what I actually wore right now. This is so cute. This is what I wore to the event last week. It is so flattering. It still smells of my perfume I wore that night. I'm getting flashbacks of being drunk at Delilah. So fun. This is the Pushing Through crop in chocolate and the It's Settled pants in chocolate. Also, I'm an extra small in everything for reference, and I will have everything linked below as well. Also, I have a code. It is Sierra TT. You can get 15% off. 15% off site-wide, excluding sales. Okay, next, this top is the Simply Hooked crop in Sage, and with the linen pants. These pants are Live It Up linen pants in white and super beachy vibes. Like, I've been wanting a pair of linen pants for so long. I could wear these all the time in California and when I'm on vacation. Beachy vibes for sure. And then I love the back of this top. It's really cute and I love the color. Okay, next is this really cute little matching situation. I've been really into like the low-waisted. I really like didn't want to do that for a long time, but now I'm getting into it. So these are Power Play pants in Oatmeal and True For You crop in Oatmeal, and just super cool casual material. I don't know what the material is, but I love the color. I need a fake tan ASAP. I feel pasty, but super cute. Super cute, right? Next, super cute and comfy and loungy for when you're at home, which is always for me. This is all I live in. So this is It's Meant to Be crop in cream and the Adore You ribbed pants in cream. Really soft and literally could just wear this all day. Super casual, but we love. Okay. This is like one of my favorites too. I just feel like super flattering. So same pants, just in white, the Power Play pants in off-white, and the Best Day Ever Bustier in off-white. Super cute. I actually wore these pants yesterday on a Duffy boat too, so like they're versatile. You don't have to wear like the matching top. Like they literally go with everything. I'm obsessed. Very wearable. You could wear this anywhere. You could really dress it up or down, so we love that. I have all this stuff on my counter ready to go because I want to make this smoothie that I saw. It's the new Air One smoothie, which obviously I live in Orange County, so there's not an Air One near me, sadly. They have a new one with Kourtney Kardashian, or Poosh, and it's like a black smoothie. It's like spooky vibes, so I thought we would do it for Halloween week. But yeah, it's Courtney's new smoothie at Air One, and I have all the ingredients. I ordered all of the stuff, so I think we're good on that. It was quite a lot of stuff, so should be interesting to make. And then I'm gonna make dinner tonight. Tonight's just a chill. Today's a Monday. I uploaded uploaded a vlog. I've been vibing to Taylor Swift all day. It's just good vibes, good vibes. I've been on Instagram doing a little Q&A. We're getting stuff, you know, we're being productive. I also just have so much. I need to do a vlog, I think, for the next one. Should I do a get ready with me while like talking about things, answering questions? I feel like that would be a good next vlog to do, just to like really sit down and chat. But I'm gonna make like a salmon dinner with mashed potatoes. I've never made mashed potatoes. I actually feel like I should start soon. Well, it's 3 o'clock. I'm gonna try to make mashed potatoes. I don't know why I've never like made them from scratch, like peeling the potatoes. I just feel like that's gonna be a process, so. But we're gonna do that together. Anyway, smoothie time. I'm excited, I'm scared. This looks kind of intense, so. We got all our ingredients. I will show you. Honestly, you could just look them up, but banana, Harmless Harvest, coconut yogurt, Malk almond milk, coconut water, this I got like the specific ones to each thing. So this brand, activated charcoal powder, this hyaluronic acid, which I literally just like put the pill, I open it up and put the powder of the pill in. Maple syrup, cacao powder, plant-based protein and sweet vanilla, avocado, frozen blueberries, and this is my coconut cream. I was unthawing it because I only could find the frozen one. So this is like the organic one. So we're gonna mix it all together. Also, like, I don't know why, but like right here is kind of hurting. I don't know if I'm like sick or something, but is this big enough? I feel like it's not big enough, but it's kind of the only thing I have here for a smoothie cup. It's gonna have to do. I don't know if there's like an order you have to do this in, but let's just go with it. I also feel like this is so many ingredients for this little thingy. We're gonna start with coconut water. I feel like you start with the liquids. I don't know how much. It wasn't specific, so we're just gonna kind of do what I normally do. That might have been too much. Okay, coconut water. Oh wait, that was definitely too much because there's also almond milk. Almond milk. It's so weird that there's both, for sure. The charcoal, okay. This is what's gonna make it black. Also, I forgot one of the ingredients because it didn't come in time. It's shipping right now on Amazon, but it's the black drops, the BLK, like little drops. Oh, it's not a big deal. This stuff's gonna be like messy and crazy. Spooky vibes, okay, wow. We're going for it. Oh, it looks so cute right now in pink. We're gonna mess it up. Bam! Now we need the hyaluronic acid to make our skin nice. Also, like, I don't really know what charcoal does. What does charcoal do? Detoxification. Anyway. So yeah, I just do like 1 or 2 of these and I just break it apart and like put the powder in. It says that it's supposed to be like the liquid kind, but I can't find the liquid kind anywhere ever, so. I've just been using this. This is also in the Hailey Bieber smoothie, so I've had these. Next is the BLK drops. Don't have those. Cacao powder. Should we do 1.5 tablespoons? Ooh, it smells good. Chocolatey. Cacao powder. I just did 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon for everything. Hopefully that's good. Next, maple syrup. I feel like it's like a drop of maple syrup. This is a detox smoothie, so that's cool. We're just gonna go for it. We're gonna do like a little, that's good, that's good. The protein powder, I got the specific one. 1 scoop of this. That's a big scoop. Okay. I think I'm gonna mix this together before I add like the fruit and stuff so that this is mixed like pretty good. By the way, this is what we're making.
Smoothie by Kourtney Kardashian Barker.
Okay, we're gonna add the coconut yogurt. And now that I'm watching his TikTok, it makes it easier to see how much he's putting in of each thing. So it looks like he had like a tablespoon of coconut yogurt. Coconut yogurt. It looks like he's doing half of an avocado. Got the avocado. Bananas. Oh, his is frozen. Good thing we got frozen. Bananas. And lastly, blueberries. I'm gonna put a shit ton of blueberries because I'm scared this is gonna taste like shit. JK, but like kinda. I think that's it. Let's blend her together. Here's what we got so far. Okay, that looks so disgusting but good at the same time. Okay, I'm also gonna put some coconut cream inside the cup so that it's like, you know, it looks cool. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think I'm just gonna try to spread it around the cup. That looks good. This is like the perfect little packet too. I'm gonna show you guys what brand it is in case you wanna try to find it, but looks good. Is this too much? Okay, that looks so good. Also, this is the packet that I got. I found it at, where did I find this? Mother's Market. Moment of truth here, peoples. I really hope this tastes good because I just bought all the ingredients. Oh, I'm scared. It's like all white and you can't even see the black. Okay, honestly, I should have maybe put less cream, but what if we swirled it? Okay, that's working. That's kind of better, right? I think it's good, fuck it. Okay. It's actually good. It's so scary looking, but it's really good. I was not expecting this. It just tastes like banana and chocolate. I don't taste the blueberries. I don't taste the blueberries at all. Maybe I should put more in. Literally just banana and chocolate. I don't even think I taste the vanilla protein powder. Like I think it's just the chocolate and banana. I'm a fan. I mean, I hope it's healthy for me. Do you guys like, if someone knows, is this actually healthy for you? Or is it just kind of like a cool thing to do? I mean, I put some crazy stuff in there. And that is very interesting. There was a lot going on there, but it tastes way better than I expected. So I love that. I'm gonna make it for Sam and see, like tomorrow morning and see what he thinks. Cause he's gonna be like, what the fuck is in that? Why is it black? Yay, we love. Update you guys, I just peeled and I'm starting on dinner. Starting with the mashed potatoes because I've never done these before, so I want to like, you know, make sure I have enough time. And update on the smoothie. Sam tried the black smoothie. He just got home and he really liked it, so 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm making potatoes, salmon for dinner, and asparagus, because why not? We love vegetables and asparagus. So anyway, peeled, cut, put them in cold water, cold salted water. Archie wants to go outside. But yeah, cold salted water. I also put some fresh garlic cloves in there too, so. And then luckily, I didn't even know I had this, but I have this because I don't have a masher, but this is like better, I think. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna start to boil these until they're soft. Like I can poke them with a fork, then I take them out, I think, and then I put like butter and cream and all this stuff. So we're gonna figure it out as we do it. Update, the potatoes are boiled. I put my fork through it and it was soft, so I think they're ready. And then over here, I've got the salmon and asparagus going. Just on one pan, salted it, all of that. I'm gonna make like a little lemon buttery sauce for the salmon. I'm about to do that. And then I'm about to also do like a buttery, heavy cream stuff with the potatoes. So we're gonna drain this and go from there. Ow, that's hot, fuck me. Ugh. That was the move for sure with the garlic in there, okay. Yes, ooh, steamy. Okay, back in here. Ooh, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna add the creamy buttery to the potatoes. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna mix this again. You guys, how good do these look? So moist and smooth. I topped it with like white truffle oil because I saw that on TikTok. So hopefully that's good. This stuff. So that'll be good. And then this is literally finished. So I'm gonna take this out. Wow. A chef. And she's done. It looks so good. So we got the asparagus, garlic truffle mashed potatoes and salmon with like lemony, buttery, garlicky sauce on top.
This is so good.
Approve.
Really
Approval. Update you guys, I'm sitting on my couch and chilling now. Sam had to go drop something off at his parents' house, so I'm kind of just waiting. I'm listening to Taylor Swift, of course. I mean, it's literally non-stop. I am obsessed. But yeah, I feel like that's gonna be kind of it since it's like 6 o'clock now. I think we're gonna watch not Game of Thrones, is it House of Dragons? Is that what it's called? How do I not know what it's called? Because we missed the episode last night. And we love it. So we're gonna watch that and chill, and yeah. I also realized I never showed you guys my Halloween decorations this year, which is weird. I didn't even like vlog doing it, which is so dumb. But I have my little skeleton man on my ladder, which he's missing limbs. I don't know how that happened. I have bats. It's freaking bats. I got the spookiest pumpkins I could find from Trader Joe's. I got like random spooky stuff and this spooky fabric that's really old from like Target. I've got a skull, a hand crystal ball thing, and like there's some stuff over there too. But oh, I should show you guys my front door because it's actually really cute. Oh, this is pretty much gone, but I had Halloween candy in here. Just so cute. This is so cute. So I did this new this year. I didn't do this last year, but it's like the Harry Potter floating candle. And I have this spooky guy, and oh, the spider fell, but there was supposed to be a spider there and there, but I think one of these was supposed to be there. And then I have all the white pumpkins. I need to fix the spiders. I got some creepy dudes in here, but I love, it's so cute. I think the candles are the best part. But yeah, that's pretty much, you know, it. What are your guys' favorite songs on that album? I'm curious to know which ones you guys are vibing with. I just like Karma. Yeah, it's like the most catchy one. Like, it's catchy, I feel like. But I also just love the lyrics. It's like so fucking true. Like, really, karma will come, whether it's good karma or bad karma. It's a real thing, and it just seems like she's at peace with herself, knowing like what happens will happen because people get what they deserve. You're so needy. You're like a little Pisces doggy, aren't you? Actually, I don't know if he's a Pisces. I think he is a Pisces. I think both my dog and cat are Pisces. Okay, you wanna go inside? You don't even wanna go inside. What's this? What's this? Do you want your toy? Do you want your barkin? You want your barkin? Yeah. Okay, Matt. Thank you. Okay. Good job. Anyways, he wants to play, so I gotta go. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thanks to Whitefox for sponsoring, and I will see you very, very soon in the next vlog. Bye, guys.